welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Escapades.
What have you been sent there? You've been sent something special?
Yeah.
What is it?
A Novi robot.
A Novi robot. And what colour have you got?
Red.
A red one. And it says that the Novi robot has got 75 plus actions.
That's a lot.
That's a lot of things to do.
Yeah.
So, shall we open him up?
Yeah.
And see what he does? You all coming out of the box?
Yeah.
There's no instructions on there, is there?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think
Oh,
there's...
it's got a little break.
It's got a little break?
Yeah.
Well, this might be special instructions, so let's see if we can open up his box. Oh! There's all information in there.
Yeah.
I think we'll have to find the right language.
Yeah.
And then let's just...
Oh my goodness, there's lots of books.
There's lots of books.
Yeah, they're the same book.
Yeah, but they'll be in different languages, won't they?
Yeah.
So shall we find English?
Yeah, and we have to find our language.
We have to find our language.
Yeah, because our language is English.
There's the front of him.
Yeah.
Let's have a look then. Find our language.
No, we don't. Whoa. Look at
English and French. Well, yeah, I wouldn't push him. I would wait until we turn him on.
Yeah, do. Wait, I can see his eyes there.
Do you think he's got eyes?
Yeah, he's got a spare eyes, but not a mouth.
How do you know? You haven't turned him on yet.
Yeah, he has eyes like that and not mouth.
Oh, let's see, shall we? Let's just put that there.
Is that our language?
It is our language. It says your hair could be tangled up by his wheels, so make sure you tie your hair back. That's the first thing he's saying.
Is that his wheels are really not good? Because he might get tangled in your hair.
Yeah, you don't want him tangled. Oh, there's lots of stuff here.
Yeah, but we'll keep it on the table.
We'll keep it on the table. So, it says getting started. Turn the power switch on. Place Novi on a smooth flat surface. Novi's eyes light up. Oh, he stopped.
Yeah, I turned them on. It's weird.
Oh. Oh, so he's got green eyes. Got to be careful that he doesn't dive. Make sure you catch him. Okay.
He keeps diving. It's silly, he keeps diving.
We've turned him on. Oh, he can see you.
Yeah, I think it's our mama's.
Think you're his mum?
Yeah.
Oh, no, he's... Oh. So I think this is...
Oh no.
I think this is free play.
It's gone crazy like a clown, Novi.
It's gone crazy. Right. So I think this is free play mode.
Come here.
I think this is free play mode that you got. It says turn Novi on and let Novi go. Be sure to try some hand movements. You got to try some hand movements in front of
I can
him.
see him turn around. Look, I saw him turn around.
Yeah, because you use your hand to do stuff with him apparently.
Wait, make him turn around. Can I try that?
Yeah, well, I'll work out. He's following your hand. Oh, he's following your hand. That's clever.
When his hand goes blue, it means he's going to follow you.
Yeah, I think you have to go round twice. I think that's what I did. So he's following you. Is that fun?
Do you know if you get your hand and fingers?
Oh! Don't let him fall off.
Do you know when his hand goes blue, it means he's going to follow it. If his eyes go yellow, it means
actually, his eyes. Woo! Actually. Oh, don't let him drop!
It was really cool there.
Actually, his colour of his eyes are different training modes.
Wow.
So if he's blue, it's beginner, green is intermediate, and white is advanced. Oh, quick, get him! Where's he going? He's escaped.
Here he is. I got him. He just went. Come here.
So
Come
should
here.
we put him on beginner?
Good girl. Yeah.
Well, Novi, you control Novi with hand gestures,
Yeah.
which is what he's following your hand there, isn't he? So should we?
Let's put his head in front. Look.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any part of your body can play it.
Oh no, you better get him.
Well, I can't reach.
Should we see if we can actually get him to do some stuff? So let's put him on beginner. Each has 4 cool tricks. So we're going to put him on beginner. We're going to put him on blue eyes. So blue eyes. So press the button at the top. He's got blue eyes. Okay?
Yeah. Do you have to do colours?
Right. Well, we want him on blue eyes.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what you do, all you have to do, so spin out, is you've got to put your hand apparently twice. Apparently. There you go. Whoop.
Yeah. I want to put him on the following thing.
Well, let's see. We just want to test that all these modes work. Well, you've done that one.
Wow.
Do you do that again twice? You do your hand round him twice. So spin your hand round him twice.
1 and 2.
That's it. You did. There you go. You can also do a wheelie. So let's have a look. You go. Let's have a look. You go. You put your hand. You go up, up. Did that work? Did that work?
Yes, pink
listen,
eyes.
I think you've got to wait. Look,
I saw that
look.
pink eyes.
Let's try that again.
Oh no.
Do you want to try that one?
Yeah.
So you've got to put your hand and bring it in. And then lift your hand up. Whee! That's it. Bring your hand up to him again. And then lift up, lift up. Whee! That was good, wasn't it?
That again. See, this one now.
Yeah. Right, you can do robo walk. Do you want to do robo walk?
Yeah.
So you've got to put your hand. What? Move your hand a bit. I'll do it first. You go 1, 2. Oh no, hang on. No, he thinks I've spun him round. Oh, is that robo walk? No, I think that might be robo walk. Let's try again. Let's try again. So 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you did.
3. I've got him spinning. So I think we got to spin him rather than
Novi. What is his name again?
Novi.
Novi.
I think that was spin out. But robo walk, you have to do 1, 2, 3 in front of him.
Novi.
Let's try this.
I want to try that.
Oh, there you go, he's doing the crazy walk. And then he's spinning.
What we have to do again?
To do crazy walk, you have to wipe your hands in front of him. So you go 1, 2, 3. 3. Is that good? Yay!
Try that.
Oh! Hand in front of him, he thinks it's a wee-wee. And again. There you go. One more, slowly. Oh!
Wait, I'll call it the dancing crazy wall.
Yeah. Oh, have you got him?
Mummy, I'll call it the dancing crazy wall.
Right.
Yeah, that one's going to call.
Well, that's the beginner steps. Oh, and then as you go up to intermediate and advanced, you've got different things. So what about the
I got it green.
I know, well, we don't want it green yet, we want it blue still, don't we? You've got to do 2 spins and it's this way. 1, 2. There you go.
I want to try that.
Go on then, you've got to spin round that way twice. You didn't recognise it, so hand go. 1, 2.
No, I want to try that on its own. Is it like this?
Yeah, you've got to go round him twice.
Oh,
So that's a wacko.
it might do wheelie.
Oh, you think it's going to make him do a wheelie? So that's wheelie.
Okay.
You've got to be a bit closer. So should we see some of the other moves? Because it does different moves. Going to be hand up. Hand up because he wants to go. Is that your favourite one?
Yeah.
The wheelie. Well, if you look, you can do different bits.
Is the name called Novi?
Novi.
Yeah, I like Novi.
So that if we have, do you? Well, if you do green eyes,
yeah.
And if we do, I think you have to slide. No, you have to do a circle. So you have to do a.
Yeah.
Wait, no, let me do it. Circle this way, and then back. Oh, you went backwards. Should we try that again?
Is it this way?
That way, and then you have to
No,
put your hand there and then push hand. Oh no, you did a different one. Oh, he's doing a spinny. He's doing a rock out.
No,
He's dancing.
Okay.
Let me show you.
No.
We're fighting over the robot.
I know it till it gets blue.
No, you want it green because we're doing different actions. Look, watch it. Let me try this again. So you got your hand and you go, and then you push your hand back.
Yeah. Oh. Is his name called Novi? Is his name called Novi?
Novi, yeah. So Dragstar is back, and then you hear 3 sounds, and then he release. Well, let's try this one.
No, I've done it.
You did do it. Let's try this one. Look, so I've got to drag back. 1, 2, 3, and then up. So you drag back like the wheelie. Oh, try again. You drag back like the wheelie. Now you've got to keep his. You've got to hear 3 noises. And then up. Did you see his eyes change colour as well? Push hand towards him. Yeah. Listen to the beeps. Now let go. Whee! So you've already worked out that a wheelie is the blue lights. White is just free play, I think. Oh no, white is advanced. So we haven't learnt the tricks for advanced yet. Should we make him go berserk?
Yeah.
Right, so berserk is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, he's got red eyes. Oh, he's angry.
For the angry Novi.
That's berserk. That's an advance. So the different.
Yeah, how do you do this?
5 times. Up and down 5 times.
1, 2.
Slowly, got to hear him beep. 2, 3, 4.
5.
5 times. Oh, he's got angry eyes. What else can you do? You do rock out. What about try this one with the white eyes? So you've got to do circle twice. So 1, 2, and then you go 1, 2. Apparently. finished yet?
Can I?
So it's quite easy, isn't it?
You have to do this.
You go round twice. It's got to recognise you twice. So it beeps. Try again. Oh, you scared him. You scared him. So don't push him. What else can you do? Should we do free play? His free play is when you just turn him on and off. I think he has yellow eyes. Yeah. That's his free play.
Can I try that?
What do you think of him? That's alright. He's inching towards you.
What's it doing? Can I try that thing?
He's just following you in free play. So what do you think of him? Do you think he's a good toy?
Yeah.
Or do you think he's a good robot?
Yeah.
Is he easy to control?
Yeah, but I don't know the other one. I can't remember the other one.
The wheelie one is on blue. So you've got to learn these combinations.
No, I don't know. I only know the following one, like this one.
Well, if you make his eyes blue, and then you hold your hand in front of him. So if you make his eyes blue with the top of the button. It's doing music now. Look, if you do blue eyes, and then that, just put your hand in front of it, that makes them do the wheelie.
Yeah.
Yeah? Got to do it again. That's it. And then you go, whee! I think that's your favourite thing, isn't it? You got to drag your hand in front of him, so that's it. So, do you like him? Is he easy to control?
Yeah.
Yeah? And I like that there's different settings, so you can either have really simple ones or more advanced, depending on how old you are.
Yeah.
You like following mode, don't you, and wheelie? I think there's some more settings we've got to kind of get the hang of, but we've kind of shown you how he works. He's really quite simple, isn't he? I think he's great. Oh, did you say help then?
Yeah.
So I think our little lady's going to play with this some more.
Look at that sky.
Well, I don't think he's happy. He's on his back. Oh, you can put him up the right way. Oh, you're making him sad. There you go. So I think our little lady's going to play with him some more. You're finding him easy to control, aren't you?
Yeah.
Should we say bye to everyone,
Yeah.
so then you can go and play with him some more? Right, bye everyone.
Bye.